Dear students, welcome to this video of English grammar. Students, in this video, today we will learn about tenses. Students, you have a little confusion in your mind while you are studying tenses, while you are speaking or sentence, while you are writing any sentence. Today, we will learn tenses in a simple way. After this video, you all will feel that tenses are as easy as ABC. You will get knowledge of tenses with rules and with their examples. Students, this video will enhance your knowledge, your power to learn tenses. Students, you know that tenses are the essential part of the English language. If you are wishing to write or say a correct sentence, you need to express your ideas in right way. So first we have need to learn the definition of tenses. टेंस मीन्स टाइम. टेंस का मतलब टाइम होता है. इट शोज वेदर द एक्शन टुक प्लेस इन पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर. जो हमें ये बताता है कि एक्शन पास्ट में लिया गया है, प्रेजेंट में या फ्यूचर में. टेंस इज अ मेथड. वी कैन से टेंस इज अ मेथड दैट इज यूज टू रेफर द टाइम. एंड वी कैन से इन अदर वर्ड्स टेंस इंडिकेट्स टाइम, टेंस refers time. Overall, we can learn that tense indicators of the time. Students, we have knowledge that there are three types of tenses: present, past or future. You know, you can get knowledge with this diagram of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Students, four types of aspects of each tense are given in this slide: present indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. In the same way, past or future. You will get this from this diagram. In this way, we have 12 type of tenses: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Students, we have to learn the identifications and rules of the tenses. So firstly we will learn present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite rules. Identification of the present indefinite is ता है, ती है, ते है, etc. And rules of this: subject plus first form of verb plus s or es plus object. Example, we can take Ram plays cricket. Students, if we are using plural subject, then we have no need to add s or es in the first form of verb. But if we are using singular subject, then we have need of it. If we are making a negative sentence, then we should use here with singular subject does not and with plural subject do not. In the same way, if we are using interrogative sentence, then does or do we should use in the beginning of the sentence. In the same way, now past indefinite tense, its identification a, e, a, ya, ta tha, ti thi, te the. Its rules: subject plus second form of verb plus object. Here, if you are using negative sentence, then you should use did not. Ram played cricket. And negative, Ram did not play cricket. I played cricket. I did not play cricket. If we are using interrogative sentence, then did will be used in the beginning of the sentence. In the same way, future indefinite, its identification ga, gi, ge. Its rule is subject plus will or shall plus first form of verb plus object. Friends, we will use will or shall with any other subject. If subject is I or we will use here shall. In other subject, we have to use here will. But students, in modern English, we can use will with any subject. So our example is ready. Ram will play cricket. If we are using this sentence in negative, then we will use not with will. Ram will not play cricket. And in the interrogative sentence, will be used in the beginning of the sentence. Now next, present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Present continuous रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. Its identification. And its rules are subject is plus is MR plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Students, if we have singular subject, then we will use here is, and with I we have to use only am, and with plural subject we will use only are. So here is an example. Ram is playing cricket. For negative we have to use not with is. So it's will become Ram is not playing cricket. And when we are using interrogative sentence, then we will use is MR in the beginning of the sentence. Same in the past continuous, its identification is रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. For the rule, subject plus was a verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Ram was playing cricket. For singular subject we are using here was, but if we have plural subject then we have to use verb. And if we are using these sentences in negative, then we will use here not after was or verb. If we are using interrogative sentence, then we will use was or were in the beginning of the sentence. In the same way, future continuous tense, its identification is रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे, and its rule will be subject plus will be or shall be plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, Ram will be playing cricket. If we are using here negative sentence, then we should use Ram will not be playing. If we are making interrogative sentence, then will be used, will or shall will be used in the beginning of the sentence. Will Ram be playing cricket? In this way, we will prepare present perfect tense, past perfect and future perfect. Students, present perfects identification are चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, लिया है, किया है, हुआ है, and its rule is subject plus has or have plus third form of verb plus object. And for its example, we have played cricket. Students, if we are using here negative sentence, then not will be used after has or have. So sentence will be like this: we have not played cricket. And if we are using interrogative sentence, then has or have will be used in the beginning. In the same way, past perfect tenses, we have to use the identification here. चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, लिया था, किया था, हुआ था, and its rules are subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. Example, Ram had played cricket. In this examples, if we are using it in negative, we have to use not after had. So sentence will be like this: Ram had not played cricket. Future perfect tense, its identification चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे, लिया होगा, लिए होंगे, किया होगा, and its rule will be like this: subject plus will shall have plus third form plus object. For its example, Ram will have played cricket. Students, if we are using in negative sentence, then we have to use not after will. Ram will not have played. And if we are using shall, then shall not have. In the same way, we will use present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. In the present perfect continuous tense, identification will be like this: से रहा है, से रही है, से रहे हैं. Its rule: subject plus has or have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. plus scenes of 4. In this example, Ram has been playing cricket since morning. Students, we have to use here has or have for has for singular subject and have for plural subject. And we have to also use here since or for. Since for definite time and for use for indefinite time. Past perfect continuous identification से रहा था, से रही थी, से रहे थे. Its rules are subject plus had plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus since or for. For its example, Ram had been playing cricket since morning. For negative sentences, we have to use not after had. Ram had not been playing cricket since morning. It's here, if here is a time indefinite, then we have to use here for, and definite time we have to use here since. Remember this point, students. Future perfect continuous, its identification से रहा होगा, से रही होगी, से रहे होंगे, and its rules are subject plus will have or shall have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus since or for. Ram will have been playing since morning. For its negative example, Ram will not have been playing cricket since morning. For its interrogative sentences, will be used in the beginning of the sentence. In this way, students, we get knowledge of all types, 12 types of tenses, and we can summarize all these rules like this. If we get all these rules knowledge of the tenses, then we can write a story. We are unable to frame a story, long sentences, write stories, essays. A little knowledge or incorrect knowledge of tense might land the students in trouble. So students, it is very necessary to get your knowledge from this video about the tenses, to boost your knowledge, enhance your power to learn tenses, and you will get a lot of knowledge about this, about making the sentences. It is of utmost importance to write the sentence in correct and applicable tense. Otherwise, the entire learning will become futile. So, all the best, student. Get your knowledge and enhance